Yeah, nice patterns on the ice. Little snow and strong winds, maybe that's how it formed. Here is a hotel boat. We're in central Stockholm. And then I think it's a couple of more like barges. And far down after the bridge is a restaurant, the Nordic Lights. I noticed two birds here. Let's see if we can. I think they're ghost hunters. They are sitting there. They probably had lunch already. They died down, had a fish, and then they're fine for a while. And far down here is the not so visible Karlber Palace, the white building in the center there.